Okay, so today we'll be talking about molds, different types of molds and how they are being used. So we'll start from here. This is a wooden mold. This is a wooden mold. This is a wooden mold. And this type of mold is a specialized type of wooden mold. So it has its cutter, and this is the mold. So how do you use this? Once you're done making your soap, you get a nylon like this. Spread it inside your mold. Spread your nylon. You get a light nylon. Spread it inside your mold. Then pour your soap inside the mold. So when your soap has solidified, remove it. Put the nylon aside. Then place the soap right back into this place. Then you start cutting. So you cut this way. You cut this way. And then you cut this way. And automatically your soap comes out in the particular size that you want. And one good thing about this is that, yes, we sell it. We have them in stock. All this type of molds, we sell them. We have them in stock. So one good thing about this is that you can give us your specification, your particular size, and then we'll make it to suit you. This small size now can go for soap that are sold for 100 naira, depending on where you are, because 100 naira soap in my area might be different from yours. So you can, whatever size of soap you sell, you can give us a specification and we'll create it to your specific size. It is very, very good. It is very, very durable, and it is very affordable also. It does not occupy so much space. So you can also travel with it. Wherever you want to go with it, you can travel with it. So this is the cutter, and this is the mold. Okay, so the next one we have is silicone molds. These silicone molds can come in different shapes and different sizes. This one is the round one. You can have the rose, you can have the oval, you can have the square, you can have the whatever shape you want, triangle and the rest. We have all of them in stock. So you can just give us a call, WhatsApp message, or shop on our website, and you will get it delivered to you. And these ones are plastic molds. Plastic molds. Plastic molds. Plastic molds. So you get them, open here, and you pour in your soap from here, and the soap takes the shape of this mold. We also have in stock, and also this is also a silicone mold, but the straight long type. It comes with this wood. So once you're done producing your soap, you put the wood inside the silicone mold this way. You pour in your soap. If you want to cover your soap, you can cover with anything. If you don't want to cover it, just leave it this way. And when your soap solidifies, you bring out the soap, and then you cut into sizes with this blade, with this cutter. So we also have metal molds. So these are the different types of molds that we have, and we sell them. We have them in stock. We can deliver to you wherever you are. So just give us a call or send us a WhatsApp message today on 234 80 29 04 6605, and we'll get you sorted out when it comes to mold. Not just mold, all your soap making equipment, like your measurement cups, like your scale, like your whatever, name them, like your hydrometer and the rest of them. We've got you covered with them. You can also shop on our website on www.blomagers.com. Let me tell you that again, www.blomagers.com. So just click on the link. I'll leave the link in the description of this video. Just click on it and shop, and you get it delivered to you. All services, I'll take that number again, 234 80 29 04 6605. When it comes to mold, we've got you covered. Thank you so much as we send those orders coming. Beautiful metal molds. These ones are going to Abuja. I'm sending these ones to Abuja. So I have them in stock right now. It comes in different sizes. These ones are the smaller soaps. So you can buy whichever. It comes in a tray like this. All you do is just to grease it with your palm kernel or whatever oil you're using, and then put your soap inside. And when it is solidified, you pull it out. So I have them in stock. If you want, just send me a WhatsApp message now, call me, and I'll wait. These ones are going to Abuja, and I'll wait them to you. Sharp, 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 sharp. Beautiful designs. Beautiful design. This one is rose. Beautiful silicone molds. You can get yours. Whatever quantity you want, we can get it delivered to you anywhere you are.